All right. It is that important time for us to learn what we need to learn in this crypto space with regards to Satoshi. I know at this time everyone is running helter and skelter looking for solutions on how to do one thing or the other. It is also a very sensitive period, a period where people will also lose their assets. People will definitely, it is certain in the space, some will use an address they don't even know where they got it from. Some will bind their Satoshi with somebody else's wallet. This is things that we have been seeing in the space, and that is why sometimes, out of our desire to see everybody getting it right and become happy, we create groups and ask you to come in. We do tutorials with our data. We do a lot of things for you, just for you to be part of the system. Sometimes we want more people to come in. It's free, it's fair. So we are starting this tutorial today with the Metamask. Metamask is a decentralized wallet, just like your Trust wallet is also a decentralized wallet. But I must advise every one of you must be careful. If you are sending money to Mr. A and you mistakenly send it to Mr. B, you can quickly run to Mr. B's bank and tender evidence. They might place the account on hold, and then you rush back to your account of Mr. A, and then they might bring or request for a chargeback. Hopefully you get your money back. But in crypto, it is not like that. In the buying sina obarana obako. Once it enter, it don't enter, they come out. So once you hit the send button and you get a successful message, that transaction can never ever be reversed. Take this at the back of your mind. That transaction can never ever be reversed. Nobody in this life will help you reverse that particular transaction. Again, if you create a Metamask wallet and you could not secure your phrase, I want to tell you something about your phrase. I'm taking this time because it's important I do this. If your phrase, which was given to you while you were creating the wallet, if the phrase gets tampered in the sense that someone else has access to it, that same person can steal all of your money without you knowing it. You just see that your wallet is empty, but it's open somewhere and the person is using it. So you must know that your phrase is the only access to your funds. Now, why is the phrase given to you? The phrase is given to you because in the event that your phone damaged, was stolen, or any story comes in, you may regain access to your funds, even if your phone was just smashed and everything destroyed beyond repair. You can access your funds back only with the help of that particular phrase. Maybe you get to Onitsha and then your phone was taken from you and all the money inside your wallet. If you are lucky that they cannot open your wallet to make any transaction, you will not be lucky if you don't have the key to retrieve your accounts. So I want to tell you, even if you have mined 2 million core and it's sent to you and you are seeing billions of naira in your account, and then all of a sudden your phone got missing. Maybe your friends who knows that you have made money or that something new has happened, they target your phone and steal it without knowing how to operate the wallet because it has key, password. You may also lose access forever if you don't have your phrase. So to cut the whole story short, I am saying that your phrase is your money, your funds. Give somebody your phrase, you have given somebody your funds. In the case where your phone got missing, you can't get access to your funds again, except you have that phrase. Having said that, there are other features in this particular MetaMask that I would like to show you. I want you to know that it is very, very important. I may not be able to show you everything now, but let's do something. You see, when you are asked to copy wallets, whenever you are asked to copy your wallet address, look at the screen. There are three arrows here: the swap, the send, and the receive. If you click the receive, you will see a share button and a copy button. Click on the copy, you already copied the address. Alright? Click on the copy, you already copied address. One thing with the decentralized wallet is that with that one wallet you have copied, you can use it to receive as many coins as possible that is on Satoshi network. That is one beautiful thing about this crypto and decentralized wallets. All right. Now, having said that, most of you were asking, how will you be able to add Core to your wallet? Listen very well and pay attention. These three lines here, when you click them, you will see the first column, browser. Open the browser. Once you click on the browser, you try and change whatever that is showing you to something you want to use. Say scan.coredao.org. I hope you can see the address, scan.coredao.org. Then you send it. You wait for it to come up. As soon as the site comes up, patient to get it right. Now the site is open. This is a mainnet site to track all transactions on Core chain. Now just scroll down. Look at this place. It said add network. Add network. Then you click on add network. Once you click on add network, for me it says successful, but the reason it's saying for successful is because I already connected my wallet to Satoshi network. That is why it's telling you successful. Alright, but if you have not done that before, it's definitely going to show you prompt you to approve for the network to be added into your Metamask. Now, having added this network, I go back to my wallet and I copy the address. You see, I have just copied the address. Now, after I have copied the address, remember, you save your password, you save your phrase very well. Consider it your life savings. Consider it your document. Save it very, very well and confidentially saved. Alright? Now I am done with my work here. I'm done with my work here. Now we move to, remember we have copied the address of the Core MainNet. Now if you want to be sure that what you are copying is mainnet, not testnet, what do? Click on these three lines. Click on settings. Click on networks. Then you can see that I have in this wallet Core. I have Credit Smart Chain. I have Satoshi Chain. I have Polygon and Binance Chain. And I was in a chain, a network called Core. So I have to click on Core to look at the network settings. Now look at the network settings. It means that this is mainnet. Then let me go back and click on the Satoshi chain. I click on it and I saw that I am seeing that this place is testnet. Look at the address, the RPC. The RPC is rpc.test.btcs.network. But when we go back to Core, you see that the RPC is rpc.coredao.org. You can see the difference. Look at the Explorer. The Explorer is scan.coredao.org. But the Explorer of the Satoshi, the testnet, is scan.test.btcs.network. Now, you can now see that this is how to know if you are using the right network or not. Now, having known that, if you want to change the network, click on Wallet, come here, and click on Satoshi chain. Then I'm already on testnet. Alright, this means I'm already on testnet. Now when I click the wallet again and go back to Core, it means that I'm already on mainnet. I am already on mainnet. So this is the few things I need to show you in this particular Metamask. Then again, perhaps a project is launched on this chain and you want to import that project. Let's say another coin called Lagos State came to launch with the Satoshi chain, and you want to buy the Lagos State as a coin, and you in the group, the contract address was given to everyone, but you don't know how to use the contract address. Now when you look at this place, you will see import tokens. Click on import tokens, then you put the contract address here. This is where you put the contract address. When you put the contract address here, then the other symbol and decimal will come out on their own. Then you click import. You have imported that token. Alright, so this is the few things I will show you. There are other things about this MetaMask that I may not be able to show you now, especially when you suspect that your phrase is tampered. when you suspect that your wallet is tampered, what to do next. There are ways to handle these things, but that does not mean you will change your phrase. Your phrase will never be changed. All right, so secure your phrase very well, and let's move on to the Satoshi app. Remember, we have already copied our address. Now let's go to Satoshi app. In your Satoshi app, remember last time I told you to update your account, your Satoshi app, and then click on me, click on personal settings, go to your country and put Nigeria. You only have one time to do it. As soon as you click Nigeria, it's saved. It can't be changed. It cannot be done again. Then in this case now, if you have not set your asset password before, just click on asset password. Once you click on asset password, it will ask you for your login details. Put your login details, put what you want to use as your asset password and confirm it. Your login details and your asset password must be a different thing, otherwise the system will not accept it. All right. In a case where you have forgotten your asset password, you use forgot asset password to recover it. Now let's move on to linking our coin. Now at this point, you see, you click on your core, click on link, then paste your address. After you paste the address, then you put your password, your asset password, click on link account, and the code will be sent to your email. Get that code, put it and confirm, then you'll be prompted for another facial verification. Once you have done the facial verification, confirm that your account is linked, and then that is done. All right, so we all need to do this before the end of this month, so that we'll be part of the first badge that we'll be receiving hopefully from next month. Because from what is written here, you can see that the first badge will be processed on the 6th of February 2023 at about 8 on the dot, and the second badge will be processed on the 15th of May. So I'm sure you don't like that sound, May. Everybody wants it today, tomorrow. You want it this February. So be fast to join the queue. And this much I can take for now. Thank you so much, and bye for now.